Were you aware that you may earn up to $860 a day simply by utilizing Google Sites? You are undoubtedly already using these Google Sites, but you may not be aware of the money-making opportunities available to you. Stay with me until the end of this video to learn how this has become one of the most straightforward ways to generate money on the internet today. It is actually possible to make a lot of money every day if you follow these steps. First, I'm going to show you a high-paying side job that only takes a small amount of your time. Second, I'll show you how to use this strategy to make more money. Because there are fewer people doing it, there is less competition, which means you can earn more money. With that, you are one of the lucky ones who can generate money online right now. Watch this video carefully and don't skip any parts. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website that I'll be introducing to you right now is called Clickbank. Type clickbank.com into your browser search bar and then you will be directed to the company's homepage. For those unfamiliar with Clickbank, it is an online affiliate marketplace that sells hundreds of digital commodities such as software, ebooks, and movies, among other things. This affiliate network acts as an agent between affiliates and vendors. For more than 2 decades, Clickbank has been a dependable global partner for businesses seeking to expand their operations online. One of the reasons is that they offer excellent e-commerce tools. Their tools and services lower the barrier to entry and make it easier to grow and scale your business in the digital world. Another advantage is that they have a large affiliate marketplace. The company connects more than 100,000 vendors and marketers, allowing them to access millions of buyers in over 100 countries around the globe. Finally, everything they do is geared toward assisting you in your personal and professional development. Before proceeding, you must first confirm that Clickbank is available in your location. The company offers a wide range of countries that could use this site, including the United States, United Kingdom, India, and the Philippines, to name a few. Clickbank has been up and running since 1998, which is considered to be one of the pioneers in the affiliate marketing industry. But don't be worried if Clickbank is not available for use in your country. I have come up with some alternatives that you can use instead. Given that this service is available in my country, I will demonstrate how to become an affiliate. First and foremost, I'd like you to click on this affiliates button, which is positioned right here at the top. Now, as you can see here, Clickbank is the favorite marketplace for over 100,000 affiliates throughout the world. And for good reason, the company has paid out more than $5 billion in commissions on time since its founding. Now, to get started, click on this Start Here button, and you will be required to answer a few questions so that they can help you with what you need, or you could just skip it by clicking here. Now, there will be a form to sign up. You must put your country in where you are located, your first name and your last name, phone number, email address, and of course your password. Check the tiny box to show that you agree to their terms and conditions and then click the Join Clickbank button. You will then be directed to your dashboard. Now all that is left for you to do is to make your profile. This is the next step in the registration process for this platform. After that, you'll be asked to enter your mailing address as well as your selected payment method on a secure website. You should choose the option to become an affiliate. Once you have completed your profile, their instant account verification check will review your identity and location details for approval. Then you are all set. You can start becoming an affiliate and start promoting your products. Next, I'll show you an alternative website for the people who cannot access Clickbank. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Here is the alternative website that I was talking about a while ago. It's called digistore24.com. Digistore24 is a fully integrated online sales platform that includes an affiliate network, all major payment methods, and accounting and tax automation. Now, in order to make more than 50 sales on your first day selling affiliate products on this website, we'll use my strategy. Signing up is all that is required. All you have to do is share an affiliate link from this website. Whenever a customer purchases something through your affiliate link, you'll get a cut of the sale. Using this strategy, you'll be able to get your link out to a large audience for free and start making money right away. All you need to do on this page is just to click on this button right here that says Start Now. It is free to sign up. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this page where you must complete all of the required information in order to create your brand new account on this website. You should enter your username, your email address, and password in this section. In addition, you will be required to provide your name, address, and phone number in the form. Though not required, you can include the name of the company you work for as well as your Skype or Telegram account if you have one. To indicate that you have accepted their policy, check the small box next to it and then click the register button. This is what your dashboard will look like when you make an account and log in. Once you've done that, you need to click the marketplace button, and when you click on it, you will be taken to this page where you will find hundreds and hundreds of different items and programs that you may advertise and profit from. So for example, if you promote a product that costs $100 and it offers you a 50% commission rate, you'll receive $50 for every sale you make using your affiliate link if the product sells for $100. All that is left for you to do now is choose a category in which you wish to focus your efforts on. Many interesting categories are available on the left side of the page, which you can navigate through. Some people are paid more than others, and some people are paid less. However, I recommend that you choose this category because it is one of the top paid categories and there isn't a lot of competition in this field. This category is called Green Products and Environment Protection. Here you can find things that can make life easier and healthier for people. These things are becoming more and more popular all the time. So this can't be bad. This is where you need to pick one thing right now that is both interesting and pays you well. I'll pick this one as an example. Here you can see some general information about the item, and it also shows how much money you can make from each sale. To promote this product, you need to click the Promote Now button. It will show you this box where you can see your affiliate link for this product. Click this button to copy this link, and now you can share this link. And if someone buys something from that link, you'll get paid for it. In order to advertise our affiliate link to the audience that will be interested in our product, we must first identify websites where we may promote our affiliate link. But first, we will utilize a free service called wordtracker.com to assist us. This website will provide us with new and the best keywords that we can search for and utilize to promote our goods when we wish to advertise it. These keywords will aid us in ranking our traffic sources highly on Google and making them more easily discoverable. Now, I want you to type in words that are related to the product that you're trying to promote. So for example, since we choose a product in Digistore24 that is related to green products and environment protection, we will be typing in these keywords green life, healthy life, and these phrases that people are searching for. When you find a couple of them, I want you to keep it or remember it because I'll show you the website that I was talking about a while ago where you will be promoting your affiliate link. Type in sites.google.com. Google Sites is a free website publishing platform where you can easily create a gorgeous, engaging websites for your business. Now, I want you to choose any template that you want from this list. And I'm going to click on this one, and it will take me to a page that looks similar to this. You can make your page look exactly the way you want it to be by editing it here. You'll need to give it a title such as Green Life, Healthy Life, or something like along those lines. Following that, you should incorporate the keywords that I advised you to remember in your Google site website. You should also include your affiliate link on your website since that is the main reason for creating this. After that, all you have to do is click on this button right here to publish it. And then Google will list your website. It is highly likely that your website will show up as one of the top Google search results when people look for a specific term. And it's safe to assume that they'd be interested in the things that you are offering. As a result, you have a good possibility of making a sale. Different products can be used to repeat this process. Gaming products might also be a smart choice because they're always in demand and can always be a viable option. You should also check out the education and business investment categories because there isn't much competition in these areas, so it's not too late to get started. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.